Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello artists! In this video I will explain how to make a sketch kit. First, let's gather our basic supplies. You'll want a durable, portable container, like a small pencil case or a zippered pouch, to keep everything together. This will be the foundation of your kit, allowing you to create art wherever inspiration strikes. Think about what you use most often and what you might need for quick sketches on the go. We'll focus on making it compact and efficient. Next, let's talk about your core drawing instruments. A good starting point is a set of graphite pencils, ranging from hard H grades for light lines to soft B grades for darker marks. An HB, a 2B, and a 4B pencil offer excellent versatility. Don't forget two types of erasers, a kneaded one for subtle adjustments and a vinyl one for complete removal. A compact sharpener is also essential to keep your points precise for detailed work. Now let's consider your drawing surface. A sketchbook is a must-have, and the paper quality truly matters. For general pencil and charcoal work, look for paper with a weight of at least 130 grams per square meter. If you plan to use watercolors or ink, opt for a heavier paper, around 300 grams per square meter, to prevent warping. A small, rigid drawing board can also be incredibly helpful for stability when you're sketching on the go. Finally, let's organize your portable kit for maximum efficiency. Utilize small pouches or compartments within your main bag to keep pencils, erasers, and other tools neatly separated. A durable bag with a secure zipper will protect your supplies from damage and loss. Remember to regularly check and restock your kit, ensuring you're always prepared when inspiration strikes. Tailor your kit to your personal artistic needs, making it a true extension of your creativity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.